So in this video, we are going to take a look at how you can add users to your StudySocius account and also how you can use the timer feature in StudySocius. And so the first thing you want to do is to make sure you are logged in. So we click on sign in here. And then once you click on sign in, you are brought to your dashboard. Now on the dashboard, the place you're going to see the users on your account will be under where it says Study Buddies, User Statistics. So as of now, there are 2 users on this account. Now, the primary user would have all the features of adding the to-do, study goals, assignments, calendar, events, and using the AI tutor. Basically, you have access to everything. And when you add a user, the user also has access to every single feature and also is able to see your dashboard. So you want to make sure that you only share access to people who are really important on maybe your assignments or for any particular activity that you want them to track. Maybe they want them to track your goals as well. So make sure that you only give access to people who need to be on your account because they're going to see everything and have access to every feature in your account. Now, you can also give them access temporarily and then delete them later. So how do you add a user? The first thing is you want to go to where it says setup. Under setup, you click on settings, and under settings, you have users. So just click on users. And now go ahead and click on add user. It's going to ask for the name and then the email and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and add the details for the user. So first name Luke and the last name is going to be Peterson. And now you're going to add the email and then you can put in the phone number. So you need to choose the language and I'm going to leave it as English. So we put in the password, we've confirmed the password and now we're going to click save. And now we just added the user. So if you wanted to manage your user, you can click edit to edit the information. So maybe we want to take out the phone number. We just take out the phone number, click on save. But before you click on save, you want to make sure that if you want to change the password, you need to actually put in new information. If not, just keep it blank. Click on save. And now you just deleted the phone number. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete the user, just click on the 3 dots here again and then click on delete. But we want to keep this user. So let's go back to the dashboard. And then when we click on the dashboard, we will notice that Luke shows up under our study buddies. So what is the reason you may want to have users on your account? First of all, you may want to really have somebody who keeps you accountable. So they have access to your study goals and is able to be a real true study buddy trying to get you to be on track, motivate you, or you motivate each other. Now, the other place that having a user on board becomes really pertinent is when you want to add them to your assignment. So if you go to the assignments and then we click on any of the assignments under the discussion, you can add a study buddy so that you can go back and forth with the study buddy. Now, how do you add the user under these activities? And so now the way you would do that is you want to go and click on edit. That's if you've created the assignment already, but if you are actually in the process of creating the assignment, you can do it in real time. Now you want to go back and under where it says select team, group members, or study buddies, you want to click on the person that you want to add or the people you want to add. So we click on Luke and then click save. And now we'll notice that Luke Peterson is associated with this assignment. Let's also add both of them. So we have these 2 on the assignment. So now when you do go to the discussion, you will notice that both study buddies are there and they can interact with Prof, who actually is the original user of the account. So you can divvy up your assignments using this feature or simply go back and forth in real time electronically in different places, just communicate about the assignment in a very nice, elegant way and then have all your resources in one place so that everybody can have access to what is needed for the assignment. So that is one of the places that really adding a user can be beneficial. And then when you're done, you can simply delete the user from the account by clicking this one from the assignment. And then when you go back to the user's profile, you can simply delete the user if you want to eliminate the excess. So let me just mention this. You as the original owner never gets deleted. That's something, a security feature you put in there. But if you added the user, you can go in there and delete the user. So when you do have a user added to your account, just as a reminder, they will log in with their own email and password, but then they will see everything that you see on your account. And then if you are in an assignment like this, you can send messages back and forth and communicate and then work on your assignments together or whatever discussion is going on. And so I've logged in into a different browser using Luke's account, and I'm just going to refresh this page because I just sent a message from Luke's account. So the question was, when can we meet to discuss the assignment? And then Luke responded on his end saying, how about now? And then Prof is going to say, great, let's plan to work on chapter 1 problems in the book. And then click send. So that's going to show up here. And then I'm just going to respond to this comment from Luke's account. It's in a different window, so you're not going to see that right now. But let me just go ahead and actually show that. All right, so this is Luke's account. And how do you know it's Luke's account and not the other one I was showing? Because it says, hey, Luke. And then also it tells you the initials on the top right corner, LP for Luke Peterson. And so I'm just going to go back to that assignment. And in the discussion, I'm going to respond to the comment here or the message. And then we're going to go back to the original account. So sounds good. Okay, so this is from Luke's account and we're going to go to the original account. I'm just going to refresh the page. So all this is in real time and then you can see. So as you can see, it's a really powerful tool, but only make sure that you are adding users who you trust and who are really necessary for the work that you're doing, either to hold you accountable, inspire you, or maybe simply work with you on assignment. And as soon as the assignment is done and you don't need their presence in your account, just delete them so that you can have your privacy and your ability to focus on your own goals and processes. So that's how you add users to the account and how you make use of the users within your assignment. So now let's talk about the timer feature in StudySocius. So right at the top, you see timer start, and actually let's go to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, the way you're tracking your study time is in this particular box. As you do this on a daily basis, you have a graph of how much time you spent studying per day, and you'll see the charts and the graph really nicely. And so the way you want to do that though is you need to first click the timer when you start studying, and whenever you stop studying, just click it to stop it, and it will track how much time you've actually devoted to your study activity on a daily basis. So as an illustration, you click to start, and in the background the timer will just keep going. So now it's 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and you could just leave it on, go do your thing in terms of study online or in your book, and document all of your good stuff. And then once you are done, you just simply click the stop button and it will track how much time you have studied on that day. So that's how you want to use the timer feature in StudySocius. And that concludes video tutorials on how to use StudySocius. If you want to learn about any of the features, please check the other videos. We've done videos on how to add to-dos, study goals, assignments, calendar, how to use the AI tutor, how to add notes, flashcards, sheets, resources, contacts, how you can use the share features. And we just concluded the series on how you can add a user and then also how you can add the timer feature. So I hope you found all of these tutorials useful. So StudySocius is a really powerful tool that allows you to be ultra productive, making you highly efficient and effective in all your studying processes. And especially when you use it in conjunction with our AI-powered learning platform, Vivinci, it just skyrockets your performance. So I hope you found this video tutorial series useful and that you find the StudySocius platform ultra beneficial for your activities. I wish you all the best in all your endeavors, and I'll see you in the next video.